Latest research and development. 1. This one sleep habit could be secretly wrecking your health. New research reveals that irregular sleep patterns, not just how long we sleep, may significantly raise the risk of numerous diseases. 2. This virus doesn't make you sick. It makes you stronger. A virus normally found in black-eyed peas is emerging as a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. 3. Columbia engineers develop radiation-hardened chips for the Large Hadron Collider. In one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the Large Hadron Collider, normal electronics fail almost instantly. But engineers at Columbia University have created custom microchips that not only survive the collider's intense radiation but play a pivotal role in unlocking the secrets of the universe. 4. Harvard just collapsed a quantum computer onto a chip. Harvard engineers have built a chip-thin metasurface that replaces entire quantum optical setups. 5. Fake videos just got scarier. Luckily, this AI can spot them all. Deepfakes are no longer just about swapped faces, they now include fully fabricated scenes, voices, and settings. 6. How AI is supercharging plant immunity to fight deadly bacteria. AI is giving plants a powerful immune boost, helping them fight back against bacterial threats that evolve too quickly for traditional defenses. 7. Aquariids may be more sprinkle than sparkle on July 30th peak. Get ready for a celestial event, but keep your expectations grounded. 8. Astronomers finally cracked the mystery of cosmic X-ray blasts. The mysterious cosmic explosion has been traced to a massive stellar explosion. 9. NISAR blasts into orbit, world's most advanced radar satellite to scan Earth's surface every 12 days. NASA and India's ISRO have launched a cutting-edge Earth-observing satellite called NISAR, equipped with the most advanced radar systems ever flown. 10. Experimental drug reverses PTSD symptoms in mice, already in human trials. Excessive levels of GABA released by astrocytes impair the brain's ability to extinguish fear responses in PTSD, but a newly identified drug target offers promising hope for treatment. 11. Study finds one workout can cut cancer cell growth by 30%. New research from Edith Cowan University has found that just one session of exercise, either resistance or high-intensity interval training, can trigger anti-cancer effects in breast cancer survivors. Thanks for watching this video.